Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Computer Tech Easy channel. This video we are going to discuss about forms in HTML. Forms in HTML used to create user interfaces for various applications in web application. User interface means it may be a login form or user registration form or ticket registration form in various travels like Airways and various email registration form likewise. It contains in HTML it contains various controls to interact with the user by using the HTML forms. Now we are going to see all the controls which we are using in forms in one by one. These are all the controls used in form to interact with the user by using interfaces. First one is label. Label is a normal text to show what we give as input. The next is text box. Text box is used to enter a value in a form. Next one is password. Password is a control which is similar to text box, but it is used in login forms for entering the passwords. Next one is option. Option is an option button. It is used to select any one of the option from many of the choices. Next one is checkbox. Checkbox is similar to option. The only difference is in option we can select only one option. In checkbox we can select more than one options. Next one is drop down list. Drop down list means it is a select box. In that control we can add many of the values, choices. We can select the choices from that drop down list. Next one is date. Date is used to show the date of a particular day, or we can choose a particular date from that date control. Next one is file. File is used to import a particular file into the user interface into the database by using the interface. File means we can add photos. We in various registration forms it needs our photo image or our resume. Likewise, some of the files can be included using this file control. Next one is submit button. Submit is a button which is used to transfer the control from one form to another form or one form to a particular database. We can create the form in HTML by using the tag form. First we have to create a HTML tag and body tag. Next to the body tag we should create the form tag. Inside the form tag is a by tag. So in between the form open and closing tag of form we should create the controls of the form. The controls can be added in the form by using the tag called input. In the input we have a type attribute called type. In the type we have to specify the control name, and also we can denote a name for the controls by using the attribute called name. Here I have used some of the controls. Text box. Text box is denoted as text. Next one is label. For label we need not the input type, just we can add the label as a separate tag. Next is radio. Radio is the option button. For the option button we have to denote the input type as radio. Next is checkbox. Checkbox is denoted as checkbox in the input type. Drop down list. Drop down list is inserted by using the tag called select. Select is a by tag. Inside the select tag we have to include another tag called option. In the option only we should add the choices for the drop down list. Next is date. In date we have to specify the type as date. Next is file browser. For file browser the input type should be file. We have another attribute called accept, which is used to filter the file type in the file browser. File type means it may be an image file, it may be a text file, it may be a PDF file. If you if you filter that file type as image means it will show only the image files. If you denote the file type as text means it will show only text files. This is the sample input, sample code for user registration form. In user registration form I have created a HTML form and I included controls like a text box for entering the name and gender. I have included the control radio, that is option button. In option I have two options, male and female. For each in option I have two options, one is male, another one is female. For male we have to include one radio button, and for female I have to include another radio button, but both the option button should have the name as gender. If you give a different name for different option button, the same field means it will not select the appropriate option. So we have to set the name as same name for the same field. I have a gender field. In gender field I have two option button. For both option button I have set as gender, the name as gender. The next is degree. For degree I have created a checkbox, drop down list. You can see the drop down list. I have created select tag. In select tag I have option buttons like option as BSc and MSc. We have to create the option button as option tag as by tag. In between the open and closing option we should create the choices. In first I have created a select tag. Inside the select tag I have created option tag. It is open and close. In between the open and closed option tag I have written as written BSc, and again I have added another option. Inside that option I have included MSc in between the open and closing tag of option. I have closed the close tag of select, and I have created date of birth field. In the date of birth field I have created date control. The next is photo. For photo I have created a file type image. Inside the accept attribute I have set the file type as image. If you run this file in the web browser, it will show the only file type image file type in the photo field. This is the output of that particular user code.